Welcome back. Today we are going to do the Argyle pattern with Argyle Plaid, and I'm using these colors to do it, along with a white gel pen. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take a pencil and I am going to sketch in my diagonal lines to get my diamond shapes. Just because I want to make sure that I am on point with my spacing and whatnot. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the GY7 and all of my diamonds that are going horizontally, I am going to use this color, the light green here. Okay. For the next pattern, we are going to switch off between these two colors. Okay. I'm going to start out with the GY2, and I'm going to go every other diamond with this one. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go this way. I'm going to go every other, but opposite. Okay. Now you can do this pattern with any colors you choose. That's really kind of the fun, great part about this one. Okay. Now you can go for a subtle Argyle if you want to do the white lines in between, but I'm going to go for a little bit of a bolder Argyle, and I'm going to go with the black to go over my pencil line areas that I drew. And I'm going to go in between my diamonds with the black. Okay. So there's a pretty cool pattern like there, right there with the diamonds. But now I'm going to take my white gel pen and I'm going to go right down the middle between the diamonds to do the white line. So you get that little X that goes through the middle. So there you go. That is our Argyle pattern square. The plaid with the Argyle and the colors of the green.